Good morning everyone, welcome to another car video. I am so pumped making this video. So today we have 2018 Porsche Macon. So today what we do is I'm gonna talk about few interesting facts about this Porsche Macon, and we're gonna walk around, take a look at our old vehicle and then drive it and to see how it feels. So the first thing is I'm gonna talk about a little bit about this trim level. As you see, Porsche Macon does not put any labels what kind of trim level. That comes with the 5 trim levels. First one is standard Macon. It comes with a 2.0 4-cylinder. It's got about 252 horsepower. And the next one is Macon S, and Macon S diesel, which is 3.0 liter V6, got about 258 horsepower as well. And the next lane is Macon GTS, which is Gran Turismo Sport, and the top of the line is Macon Turbo. And next thing I want to point out, this is super Porsche. As you know, this Macon comes with a performance package as well, so you can add it in an extra. For example, the Macon Turbo with the performance package comes with 3.6 twin turbo V6 with a further optimized engine electronics and component covered with the carbon, and comes with 440 horsepower. So for the mid-size SUV, it's got lots of horsepower on it. And then here's another things about this vehicle is it's got the 2 gearbox in one. But what I mean by that is 7-speed Porsche Doppelcrank. I'm not sure if I'm saying right, but it stands for PDK transmission, and fitted as a standard Porsche Macon models. So basically, with both manual and automatic mode, and the Porsche Macon offers extremely fast gear changing with no interruption in the flow of the power, as well as excellent driver performance. So basically, whenever you particular in the gear is engaged, next gear is already pre-selected. As a result, gear change takes place within the millisecond. So what amazing car has it. And then next thing, the good fact about this one is off-road for non-off-road persons. So the button on the center of the console sets all relevant system to the traction optimized program for all road terrain, which comes with gives you off-road things. And here's a crazy things about this Macon. You will be identified this trim level by color of the caliper. So as you see, this one has the black color, so that means this is standard Macon. If you see the titanium gray color, only comes with Macon S diesel or Macon S, and then Macon Turbo and Macon GTS comes with the red one. So what an amazing the Porsche does that. And then the last things what I learned about this car comes with sound system, which is some of them comes with Burmester sound system, one of the most respected manufacturing high-end audio equipment in worldwide, which comes with 16 amplified channels with the total output is more than 1,000 watts. So basically it's a rolling rock concert inside this vehicle. So pretty much that's about it, about this little fact about it. So let's talk about this car. So this is a standard Porsche Macon, comes with 18-inch rims, which Michelin tires on it. What a beautiful car. And then the color is, I am crazy about the color. What a beautiful color is. And the interior is also absolutely beautiful. So on the tail light, tail and the gates, so you don't have any button right there, but you have this button right there. It's kind of hidden, so you can open it up, and then I'm gonna lock it. All right, under the hood, it's got 2.0 4-cylinder turbo. It gives you about 252 horsepower. It does pretty amazing job. So with that being said, let's drive this car and to see how this car feels. All right, let's drive this Porsche Macon standard options. So first thing, when you realize it's got Alcantara and half leather. What a beautiful design. All right, such an amazing, beautiful car. So I've drove only one or twice, but I don't think I ever drove this Macon. But what I was telling earlier was it has an off-road button right there, which is you click it, it gives you off-road. Basically, this is off-road vehicle for a non-off-road person. So what we do, we're gonna click it off, so we won't go off-road right now. So we're gonna drive it. Driving the Porsche. All right. So this vehicle equipped with lines and monitor. As you see, you have a weird noises coming in. Basically, yep, it's right there. So driving experience is such an amazing. I love that. That's why since 2014, the Porsche produced 267,000, if I'm not mistaken. Porsche is, and the Macon was 97,000 of them produced and delivered worldwide. So since then, all the Porsche Macon's customer, they keep their vehicle, because this is such a last-longing and great premium vehicle. It is such an amazing experience. I love the way how it drives, how it handles, and then this the gear does absolutely great job. I can't even feel anything from the first, second, third shift, because it'll takes milliseconds to do it. So for example, right now I'm on the gear select 6, and it's already pre-select to the 7, so it'll take milliseconds. It does awesome job for road track and, you know, driving really fast. So All right, driving experience with Porsche and Macon has been absolutely amazing, great. I love how it drives. Everything about it is, I'm just loving this machine. So before I go, I'm gonna go ahead check it out under the hood to see what we have. The standard model has 4-cylinder 2.0. all right, yep, it's got 4-cylinder 2.0, generates about 252 horsepower, 7-speed manual automatic, and it's got, like I said, the box does absolutely great job to shifting the gears. So let's close it up, and I hope you enjoy this quick short POV view about this vehicle. Honestly, I am falling in love with this car. It was such a great, amazing experience to drive in this car. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, comment down below, and we'll see you next time.